Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Spot On 2017. I'm Rachel Burley, and I'm the Publishing Director for Biomed Central. I'm right away going to apologise for the croaking. Grace Baines is in the second row, and if my voice fails, she's going to be my understudy, but we'll do the best we can. So for those of you that were here in previous years, you will know that the Spot On programme is built by the academic community. We don't decide what's on the agenda, you do. And then it's just organised by Biomed Central, Digital Science and Nature Research. So we're really pleased to welcome you here and to host your conference for you. First of all, just a few basic housekeeping things. So the hashtag for each of the sessions are on your programme. For the Wi-Fi, I've been told that you just need to click on Internet Explorer from your laptop, and then you'll get instructions for a login, but you don't need a password. And then there is a live stream on Facebook Live, which you can follow via the Biomed Central Facebook page. And then for those of you who were here last year, you'll remember that there was a visual scribe who was doing illustrations for each of the talks. This year we've got a digital scribe, and he's going to be uploading the images directly onto the Spot On Twitter account. A little bit later, actually, there is a photographer. Are you Joe? Yeah. Joe is our photographer. So he's going to be working the room, and if you don't want to have your photograph taken, just let him know. And if you do want to have your photograph taken, we've got a makeup artist somewhere to make you look beautiful. Just kidding, you all look lovely anyway. So basically our organisers are around the room as well, and if you want any information or help, then speak to one of those. And if you want information on our safe spaces policy, then if you could email Amy Burke-Waite, Amy's in the front row here, or just find Amy and let her know. She can give you some more information. So this is the 8th Spot On conference, and if you've been involved in these before, then you'll remember that the name of the conference, the Spot On, stands for Science, Policy, Outreach and Tools Online. And last year, we focused on policy, and our Spot On conference was what might peer review look like in 2030. And as a result of that conference, we produced a report, which I'm hoping some of you will have had a chance to see, which really was sort of following up on issues related to peer review and how can we improve it in the future. And we haven't fixed peer review, but we have continued to innovate and experiment to try to find ways to make it better, and we hope to radically improve it long before 2030. So for this year, our focus is going to be on tools and skills. And when we looked at the feedback from last year, we saw that a lot of you came to Spot On to network, to learn new skills, to learn about cutting-edge tools and techniques. And so we want to continue with that theme for this year and focus on what makes researchers great. What are the characteristics of a good researcher? What skills can you learn from mentors? What cutting-edge tools are available to help you in the lab and in the field and when collecting data and when writing up your work? And then also, what makes a scientist a superhero? And I, for one, am really interested and fascinated to find out what that is.